Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Elsa Dorothy. It's a special request from Dothydoodle. So it's Elsa, we're going to mix that with Dorothy cat. Okay, let's just start. First, we need to draw the head. This is the head. Just a simple circle. And we have to draw the body with the Elsa dress, of course. So we're going to draw a long line and another line here. A little wavy line. And a cross. And another one here. And don't forget the hand. Going to draw the hand up because she's going to have her icy spell. Okay, the face. Elsa sure have a braided hair, and this Dorothy also will have a braided hair too. And the hair this way. Or you want to make it this way? Like that. This is the new Dorothy hair. A curvy line up, curvy line down. Her hair is black. And don't forget, Dothydoodle is a cat. We have to add in the cat hair. Cat ears, sorry. Cat ears. Cat ears. Cat ears shaped like a triangle, so it's very easy to make. And we have a little ear there. A little bit fur on the hair. And the glove, of course. And don't forget the eyes. A small dot with eyelash. Another dot with eyelash. Two eyelash. Okay, we can add in one more. So with a happy smile.
And draw the small feet.
And a small feet. Okay.
And a cape.
And a cape, of course. A cape.
A long cape, Daddy.
A long cape, of course. Yay! So, we have done it. But we are not done yet. We need to add in details, right?
No.
So, the cape, we need a crease because it's a cloth. The dress as well.
Oh, I don't want a tail.
No tail. Now, we need to make the sparkles.
Sparkles made of Elsa.
This is how you make.
Because that is ironed out.
This is the sparkles. And here as well. And here as well. And don't forget the icy blast. We swirl. And another swirl. Another swirl. Another swirl and yeah, another shiny. Another sparkles. There it is. And to finish it, we need to make a thick line to show the depth of your object or your cartoon. just the outline. Okay, just the outline. So here we are, about to finish. There you go, your Elsa Dorothy. This is drawing tutorial by Ivan Hu.
And Dothydoodle.
And Dothydoodle. I hope you guys like it and you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe and follow so you won't miss the next video. Thank you so much for watching.